Bongo Cat is a popular interactive meme featuring an animated cat that plays bongos in real time synchronization with audio input, typically from a microphone or preloaded music. However, users often encounter issues like stuttering audio or freezing animations, primarily due to browser performance, hardware limitations, or software conflicts. This video will provide you with effective solutions to troubleshoot and fix these issues. We'll cover common causes, from browser performance to hardware limitations, and keep things up to date as of February 2026. Bongo Cat uses your microphone input and the Web Audio API to translate sound into animation. The app captures audio from your microphone, processes it through the Web Audio API, and converts it into real-time animations of the cat playing bongos. Stuttering usually happens when the audio processing can't keep up, causing lag. This occurs when the audio buffer overruns, meaning the app can't process incoming sound data fast enough to maintain smooth synchronization between your input and the cat's animations. Freezing often results from your browser using too much processing power, especially with WebGL rendering. The CPU and GPU become overloaded trying to render the complex animations and process audio simultaneously, causing the entire app to freeze or become unresponsive. Your hardware, including RAM and processor speed, plays a crucial role in performance. Insufficient memory or processing power can cause both stuttering and freezing. Additionally, browser extensions and microphone permissions can interfere with the app's ability to access and process audio data efficiently. To address these root causes, close other browser tabs and programs to free up resources. This reduces CPU and memory usage, allowing Bongo Cat to run more smoothly without the processing bottlenecks that cause stuttering or freezing. Before diving into advanced solutions, try these simple fixes first. Start by refreshing the Bongo Cat webpage to clear any temporary glitches that might be causing performance issues. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any stored data that might be interfering with the app's performance. Try testing Bongo Cat in incognito mode to eliminate any conflicts from browser extensions or plugins that might be causing issues. Adjust your microphone sensitivity in your browser settings. Lowering it can help reduce audio processing lag that causes stuttering. Finally, make sure microphone access is enabled for the Bongo Cat site in your browser settings, as this is a basic requirement for the app to work. Different browsers handle web applications differently, which can affect Bongo Cat's performance. Firefox is often recommended for Bongo Cat due to its superior web audio handling, which provides more stable playback. If you're using Chrome, try enabling hardware acceleration. Go to Chrome /enable-hard overlays and set it to enabled. Also, ensure your browser is up to date to get the latest performance improvements. Google Chrome had memory leak issues that were addressed in 2025, but these may still persist on mobile devices. If basic fixes don't work, delve into hardware settings. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers are a major cause of freezing. Check if hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser settings. If you have a dedicated graphics card, make sure your browser is using it instead of integrated graphics. This can significantly improve performance. Expert Chris Wilson from Google advises that outdated GPU drivers cause 60% of performance issues. The Bongo Cat community has developed custom fixes and alternative versions called forks to tackle common problems. Visit platforms like GitHub to find community-driven patches that address stuttering and freezing. One popular example is the Smooth Bongo fork, which employs Vulkan rendering to completely eliminate freezes. Always exercise caution when downloading community content and verify it comes from a trusted source. According to statistics, community guides successfully resolve issues in 70% of cases. Mobile devices often struggle with Bongo Cat due to limited processing power and memory. Close unnecessary apps running in the background to free up system resources. Bongo Cat continues to evolve with integrations into emerging technologies like VR and AI. Expect further optimizations and potentially native app versions to bypass web limitations. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can minimize stuttering and freezing and enjoy the full Bongo Cat experience. Stray Rogue, the developer, suggests ensuring your setup is clean. Keep an eye out for community updates and future improvements.